Hello everybody, so today I will talk about ASVAB Arithmetic reasoning. Here is about the question. If the price of a gallon of gas increased from $3.2 to $3.68, what percent did it increase? So it is about the question related to the percentage, and the question they mentioned about the change. So here is about the formula. So we will use about the new number minus the original number. Then we divide origin, multiply with 100%. So now we put the number in here. The new one is about 3.68 in here. Minus 3.2 divide to 3.2 multiply with 100%. $3.68 minus 3.2, you got about 0.4. Divide to 3.2, you got about 0.15 multiply with 100%. You got about 15% in here. And the answer is about A. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.